Ever had a stressful experience with connecting flights? We've all been there, right? It's high time we take the stress out of travel and make it what it should be, a fun and exciting adventure. So today, we're going to share 9 essential tips to make your journey through connecting flights as smooth as silk. From understanding terminal switches to navigating visa requirements, we've got you covered. So buckle up and prepare for takeoff. Stay tuned to discover how to make your next travel experience a breeze. First off, understand terminal switches. Picture this: you've just landed, and your next flight is at a different terminal. This is what we call a terminal switch. It's an essential part of travel, especially when dealing with connecting flights. Knowing your way around terminal switches can make your journey smoother. You don't want to be running around, frantically trying to find where to go next, right? So take a moment to familiarize yourself with the airport layout. Being aware of terminal switches can save you from a lot of stress and confusion. Next, consider the transportation between terminals. Many airports offer various modes, from shuttles and monorails to walking paths. Each has its own advantages. Shuttles and monorails offer speed and convenience, especially for those with heavy luggage. Walking paths, on the other hand, provide a chance to stretch your legs and kill some time. However, they may not be the best choice if you're running late or your next terminal is far away. Choosing the right mode of transportation can make your transit smoother. Third, don't forget about visa requirements. You see, when traveling internationally, you're not just passing through airports, but also countries, each with its unique set of rules. It's crucial to understand if the country you're connecting through requires a transit visa. Even if you're not leaving the airport, some countries still require you to have one. So do your homework before you fly, check with your airline, or consult your travel agent. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to visas. Fourth, be mindful of airline carrier changes. When we switch airlines mid-journey, it can significantly affect our travel experience. For instance, additional fees may apply, especially when it comes to low-cost carriers. Moreover, you might find yourself responsible for transferring your luggage from one flight to another. This could mean collecting your bags and rechecking them onto your next flight, which could take some precious time. Being aware of airline changes can keep you one step ahead. Fifth, keep in mind the need to recheck your baggage. Moving from one flight to another often means your luggage needs to follow suit. You may find yourself collecting your bags from the carousel only to hand them back over to airline staff for the next leg of your journey. This process can seem like a hassle, but it ensures your belongings travel with you, safe and sound. Always double-check your baggage claim tags and confirm with airline staff if your luggage will be automatically transferred or if you need to do it manually. Remember, your luggage is your responsibility. Sixth, research airport resources. This means diving into what's available at the airport you'll be spending time in. Are there lounges where you can catch a quick nap? What about dining options? Will you be stuck with fast food? Or is there a chance for a gourmet meal? And let's not forget about Wi-Fi availability, because we all know how essential internet access is in this day and age. The more you know, the more comfortable your layover can be. Seventh, equip yourself with survival tips for layovers. Layovers can be taxing, but with a few key measures, they can turn into enjoyable breaks. First, stay hydrated. Air travel can dehydrate you, and having water on hand is a must. Make use of water stations around the airport and keep your body revitalized. Second, find a comfortable spot. Whether it's a quiet corner or a cozy lounge, a comfortable place can transform your layover into a restful pause. Lastly, utilize airport amenities. From free Wi-Fi to shower facilities, airports are replete with amenities designed to make your layover more enjoyable. Some even offer mini cinemas, gyms, and sleeping pods. Remember, with the right tips, even a long layover can be a pleasant experience. Eighth, allocate at least 3 hours for connecting flights. This is crucial, folks. Why, you may ask? Well, the answer lies in the unpredictable nature of air travel. Delays can strike when least expected, security checks can take longer than anticipated, and other unforeseen issues might crop up. By setting aside a minimum of 3 hours for your connecting flight, you're cushioning yourself against these potential pitfalls. You're giving yourself the breathing room to navigate the airport without the stress of a ticking clock. When in doubt, give yourself more time. Ninth, remember the importance of staying relaxed. In the hustle and bustle of connecting flights, it's easy to get caught up in the stress and the rush. But maintaining a calm and positive attitude can drastically improve your overall travel experience. It allows you to think clearly, make better decisions, and even enjoy the journey. It's not just about reaching the destination, but also about the voyage itself. So take a deep breath, keep your cool, and remember, Your mindset can make or break your travel experience. As we wrap up, let's quickly recap the 10 things you must know for connecting flights. First, understanding terminal switches is key to moving efficiently through the airport. Secondly, know your options for transportation between terminals, be it shuttle buses, trains, or walking corridors. Thirdly, familiarize yourself with visa requirements, especially for international transfers. Fourth, keep abreast of any airline carrier changes that may affect your journey. Fifth, be prepared to recheck your baggage as policies differ across airlines and airports. Sixth, make a point of researching airport resources. Knowing where lounges, eateries, and essential services are can make all the difference. Seventh, we've discussed survival tips for layovers, from short ones to those that last up to 10 hours. Eighth, always allocate at least 3 hours for connecting flights to avoid unnecessary rush. Ninth, and perhaps most importantly, remember the importance of staying relaxed. With these tips in your arsenal, your next connecting flight experience is sure to be smoother and less stressful. Safe travels!